In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about lead generation versus email list building. Hi, I'm Helal from HM Digital Marketing, and I'm a top-rated freelancer of Upwork, and I work with email list building and cold email marketing. This is lesson number 1, officially lesson number 1, and in this video, you are going to learn lead generation versus email list building. So what is lead generation in cold email marketing? Lead generation in other industry, it could be different. Lead generation in cold email marketing is a process of building a targeted email list, creating engaging email content, sending cold email campaign, generating warm lead or positive responses, and tracking and analyzing the performance of email campaign to optimize the result. So in combination of all these activities, we can say somebody generated a lead when they receive a positive or negative response. Okay, so lead generation in cold email marketing is a whole process. It's not just one task. It's a process of work, series of activities. First step is the targeted email list building. Now, what is cold email list building? It's a part of lead generation. Just one step. Very first step. Client use our email list in cold email marketing. Cold email list building, also called as email list building, lead list, prospecting, marketing list, mailing list, or even B2B lead list. When somebody is saying, I'm selling marketing list, doing prospecting, or my service is providing quality email list, so he is doing cold email list building, not lead generation. Because lead generation is not just one task, it's a series of tasks, whole process, and we are doing just only the first step, which is building an email list. So understand the difference. Lead generation and cold email list building are not the same. Most freelancers who say they are lead generation freelancers are actually doing email list building. So the next question is, why do clients buy email lists from us instead of scraping lists or purchasing from B2B database platforms? One of the key elements of cold email marketing is email list, because this is the first thing they need in cold email marketing and very important step. So they make sure they get the quality email list, not just scraping list, because when they purchase from B2B database, they are not updated. Sometimes we see, depending on the database, 50 to 70% is quality data we get, and not all prospects there. On B2B platform, there are many data missing. Prospects are missing because they haven't updated their database. They haven't updated the company employees. Somebody left the company, but they haven't updated. And there are some email validation issue as well. Not all the email addresses are valid on their system. This is why clients get the list from expert cold email list builder or email list builder, those who are providing services on different marketplaces. On the other hand, we build lists with manual research, checking every corner of the internet, and then we collect and verify. So we do care on building email lists because we know it's important. It's important if we can provide quality email lists. We don't miss any opportunity of getting the prospect. If we don't do any compromise, like on B2B database, they have 5 employees, but the new 3% joined in the company, and we can find it with manual research. So those who they know the importance of their cold email marketing, because if the email list is not good, then their open rate, their reply rate wouldn't be that great. Client hire you and me for quality work. So this is really important. This is why you need to know every single step, how you can build quality email list. You need to know that. So now you know lead generation and cold email list building are not the same. Lead generation is a whole process and email list building is just one part. We are saying on the marketplace that I'm a lead generation freelancer. Mainly they are doing cold email list building. I hope you understand. This was a really quick first lesson because this is important to know what you are going to learn. You are not doing full lead generation. You are doing a part of lead generation. So this is why I wanted to make sure that you know what you are going to learn. You are just learning one part, and it's the important part. If you can provide quality email list, you will get more and more projects from same client, and he will use you for long term. If you have any cold email list building project and you care about the quality, then hire me on Upwork. This is my profile. You can search Halal Mia or Halal M with lead generation or with just Upwork on Google, and you will find me. You can visit directly upwork.com and you can search my name, and this is the service I provide: lead generation, email list building, email marketing, cold email marketing. The next lessons will be published soon. So, not subscribed yet, please do it and learn something. Because in this channel, I publish quality content. I publish something so that you can learn. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Take care.